Hey guys, this is Miss Garner. We're going to go over examples of determining if numbers are rational or irrational. Our first example is pi over 3. This number, since it has a pi in it, which is an irrational number, it makes the whole thing irrational. So this is an example of an irrational number. For number 2, we have the square root of 81. This can actually be simplified as 9, because we know 9 times 9 equals 81. Since 9 is just a whole number, this is an example of a rational number. For number 3, we have the fraction 3/9. This is a simple ratio, 3 over 9, and by definition, this is a rational number. For number 4, we have 3.8. This is a terminating decimal, which means it's a decimal that does not go on forever. It comes to an end. It ends after the 8. Because it's a terminating decimal, this is a rational number. Number 5 is the square root of 50. 50 is not a perfect square, which means if you entered square root of 50 into your calculator, this would be a decimal that goes on forever and it doesn't repeat, it doesn't end. We know that perfect squares on either sides would be 7 squared, which is 49, and 8 squared, which is 64. 50 is somewhere in between that. It's not a perfect square. That means this has to be an irrational number. And our last one, 4 pi, it has the pi in it. There's no way to get that pi to eliminate or to cancel out, so that pi makes the whole thing irrational. And now you know more.